And I'm in Salamanca. So I kind of thought we were in the downtown, but it appears that we are not. And then there's like all these different restaurants. You would come here with friends and family and like eat outside. I don't really know anyone here. This is really testing my resolve not to drink. Outfit of the day. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is a continuation from yesterday because we're putting a vlog together, thanks for continuing to watch. I'm Jess and I'm in Salamanca for a Spanish teacher conference. It is an international conference with Spanish teachers from all over the world, including me, myself, and I. And I'm on my way to the conference. It's day 2 of the conference. Unfortunately, I'm running late because I was sitting alone at breakfast and then people came to join me and I got to talking. So I didn't get to leave breakfast as soon as I wanted, but you know, it was probably worth it because I met, okay, this is crazy. I met a lady from Greece who had, her mom was from Boston or lived in Boston, and her uncle owns a restaurant that my husband and I would always get food from. I was like, oh, where's the restaurant? She said, well, I'm not gonna actually say, the part of Boston where I lived for 17 years and the restaurant that we would go to. So small world. So it was honestly worth it for that connection to be late to my first session. So if you want to keep watching my adventures in Salamanca, keep watching. I will never look at parks and public spaces the same again after correcting the AP exam, because the question was about parks and public spaces and the role they play in communities, and I just can't stop thinking about the way the students answered. This seems like a scene from The Birds. It's so creepy. I'm being a little bit rebellious, and I've decided to leave the conference until lunchtime. We just had our coffee break. It is noon. You would think it's noon. It's not lunch, but no. The noon bell is ringing. So I kind of thought we were in the downtown, but it appears that we are not. So I saw there's this market and like there's an area labeled downtown. So that's where I'm gonna go. Oh, that actually says Centro Histórico too. So that could be too. I genuinely do not know. Yeah, this is a very busy area. Definitely way more tourists than where we were before. I have found their Plaza Mayor. I feel like all Spanish cities have a place like this. Like in Barcelona, there was a place like this where, you know, it's like enclosed, hence a plaza. And then there's like all these different restaurants. You would come here with friends and family and like eat outside, relax, umbrellas for the sun. It's getting hot. They're gonna have a heat wave over the next few days, just like at home. So yesterday and the day before were so nice. It was like actually kind of cool in a way, but yeah, it's getting hot now. So, but it's a dry heat. And now let's go find the market because I got a little distracted by the plaza. I have found the market. All right, let's go inside. I'm gonna show you what they have in the market. That was not very exciting. It was like all meat and fish. That's our conference. I felt like I needed a specific place to go, so I'm going to Zara, which is Zara, which used to not exist in the US. When I studied abroad here, it was not here. That was a long time ago. But here it is in the US, and it's me. Kiko Milano. Oh my god. Hold the phone. I love their lip gloss and mascara. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to go there. So Kiko Milano, I discovered a long time ago. And I can't remember where I first got it. Maybe on Amazon? I don't even know. So Kiko Milano, they sold at Ulta, but I think it got discontinued. But they have this 3D lip gloss. Actually, I have one, hold on. It's this 3D Hydra lip gloss. It's my favorite lip gloss now. I have multiple colors. I don't know what colors I don't have of it, because I bought a whole bunch from Ulta because they went on sale for really cheap, but I love it so much. They also have really good, there's a certain mascara that's really, really good, and I kind of want to get more of that. So I'm really excited. I knew if I put Zara as like where I wanted to try to go, I would find other stuff along the way. So I'm very excited now. All right, I think 4 is enough. Okay, I might have overdone it, but I don't know if you can get those at home anymore, so I had to stock up. And I got the mascara I was talking about. It's called Ultra Sculpt or Extra Sculpt, I don't know. I just showed you. So that's what it's called. It's really good. And I feel like my mascara that I brought might be like on its last legs. I'm not actually sure, so just in case. Another store that's pretty new to US, I think, is Mango. I honestly don't need any clothes, but I'm just gonna go in for something to do because it's 12:30 and I have till like 2-ish, unless I want to go to some sessions, but I don't. Well, that was fun. I didn't even make it to Zara. I've never gone in Mango at home. And maybe I wouldn't like things at home. Maybe it's just the context of being here. Everyone at the conference dresses so cute. And I brought all my dresses from home, but I don't know, like there's this one German girl. It was really sweet. She had pity and sat with me at breakfast this morning, even though she had a whole table of people. It was so nice. And she's worn these really cute shirt dresses the past 2 days, so I was inspired by her and I got a shirt dress. I got the green one. I really loved that red dress, but honestly, it's not practical. I don't know when I would ever wear a dress with little straps like that. And the shirt dress, I feel like I can just wear comfortably at work, like on a normal day in my normal life. So that's the one I went with, even though it's bigger and I'm gonna have to pack it, but yeah. Good stuff, good stuff. And Zara's right here if I choose to go in. I just want to show you. This is so pretty. Zara. I mean, I might as well go in, right? La Plaza Mayor está viva. All right, I'm gonna behave and I'm gonna head back. There's like one more session that I can make at 1:30. And then 2 o'clock is lunch. And then I think I'm gonna be bad again and go back to the room for a little bit. There's a session, I met someone yesterday who's giving a session, so maybe I'll come back for hers in like the afternoon ones. It's just too long of a day. way too long of a day and not engaging enough. It's just being talked at for hours on end. Pizza, pasta, burritos. I feel like the restaurants over here are so much better than the restaurants I have in my area. It's so bright that I couldn't see my screen and I had it flipped around when I was trying to show you that fountain. And we're back. He looked like what I would picture for a wandering minstrel. But he had an Universidad Salamanca thing on, so I don't know. Oh my god, there's more. So I'm headed out to look for dinner, and my dog's not doing good, and I just don't really want to be here right now. The workshops have not been great, to be honest, and it's been really lonely because I don't really know anyone here, and I'm just sitting there and it's boring. So yeah. Well, I got my own jarra of water. Dinner with a view. This is really testing my resolve not to drink. I'm trying not to. Like, I know I will eventually here, but I want to have a drink because I'm like out having fun with people and not because I'm feeling sorry for myself, like sitting here sad and having dinner alone. So, I don't know. Today is definitely not the time. The risotto is here. I've managed to put a pretty good dent in my pitcher. I got a gift. It's a foot. Well, I'm exploding now. I ate every bite except for the mushrooms. And I think I was just feeling sorry for myself, so yeah. Now that I'm standing, I am full, but I do have a walk back, so that will help. Also, they gave me some candy at the end, but I just put it in a napkin. I'm bringing it back because I definitely do not need to eat all that candy right now, but I will enjoy it at some point. This is a new view. Clearly, this is the place to be. So maybe if I give in to my alcoholic urges, this might be a good place. Maybe. No promises. Empty nightclub. I just want to point out it's 9 o'clock at night and it's like full daylight basically. So my hotel is right up there. I've never gone past this little crop of stuff here, but if I had just gone that way, I would have found that whole downtown area. But every time I left the hotel, I always went that way because it's like diagonal. So right now I just made like a bigger square. But oh my god, thank god I explored. Thank god I cut class. And I just went shopping at Mango and Kiko Milano and Fata instead of going to classes so I could discover new places.